This is the new Mamsar Beach. Right, Arabella? Newly opened. Renovated. A new Mamsar Beach. Wow. Nag-open pala today. They just opened today, Arabella. Oh, parang Lamir na. See, adanan bridge, oh. This is the new Mamsar Beach.
Before you go around. Now you can come here.
Yeah, this is the new bridge.
Yeah, very good.
So there's a sunset, very nice. Oh. But we're going in that side now.
Starving with tea.
Now we can eat later. We'll see.
No.
Oh, see? Ada magtulay ay mga kuan na din mga rides. Oh, ang mga boat. Di daw, pwede ka na mag-ride sa Arabella, see? Ang mga activities na. See, this is the Mamsar.
Okay.
See, mayon na rin. Open na nga, hindi nila to Sarja side. Oh, ano, oh. Damo na didi, this is Sarja side.
Arabella car.
Oh, there's a car, look, see? Water car. Water taxi. There's a water taxi.
Can you float in the water?
There's a
Saan
water
nag-open sila?
taxi lang ga, oh.
Saan sila nag-open?
Yeah, today only.
Yan wala?
Yeah. It's a water taxi. Yeah, it's a taxi, oh.
Why is it?
Pwede sumakay, you can ride.
Why is it on water?
Ada, oh.
Would be better if the Noi was here.
You can ride a taxi.
Go to Noi so we can come.
Ito na, is there with, there's a meeting. So, ito na. Larga na taxi, oh. Dun. Ito na.
Take now. There's nothing important.
Galit.
No, I want.
Damo ng mga restaurant. See, look. What is this?
Okay. Restaurant.
Ay, sus, kadamo. Oh. Takalaba kan lito laging pinaliko-liko. So it's nice get the sunset, see? Pinaliko-liko tulay. Hey. Ito sa'yo. Yeah, see. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Ito na. Another one there. See? Hi. Oh, look at here. Come here. This is Mamsar Park now. Mamsar Beach. Ada.
Free ice cream.
Opening of Mamsar Beach. You guys see free yogurt. Yogurt ice cream.
Oh yeah.
Ito daw. Paano ito mga erin nun, no?
Yun na, picture na.
Mom, you want to go in the blue car?
Look, yeah, see the
I
car
want
is there.
actually the gold one. Let's go. Mama, let's go to the gold car. I want the gold car, not the blue one. I want the gold one.
There.
The gold car. I want to go on the gold car. Mommy, come on, please.
Where's Dada now? Dada, where are you?
It's okay. I got 2 free ice creams and now I'm having cough.
Oh, where's that?
This is the new Mamsar beach.
It's new today. It just
Just
opened.
opened today. See,
And I got 2 free ice creams and now I have
everything
cough.
is free.
Mommy, I want to go on the gold car.
Huh?
In the water. That gold car. Maybe it's free?
This is the Mamsar Park. Mamsar Beach.
This took 2 years to just finish this? Worth it.
Siya dala tidak na inahatag oh. Apay may nahatag dida. Apay.